ng Aw-Asen ay nagmula po sa pangalan ng isang matanda na Lakay daw Asen. Pero nung namatay yung Lakay daw Asen, pinangalan po yung Aw-Asen sa falls dahil nung una po hindi po Aw-Asen ang pangalan niyan kundi po Yub Falls.
The group has been meaning to visit this place but have been holding off trying to find the right moment to experience it with more favorable atmosphere. Our adventure driver rather. While we were sleeping, he was the one carrying us for about 6 hours. Look at this, who's back? After a year and a half, our Canadian boy is back.
Welcome po dito sa Sigay, Ilocos Sur, Barangay Rosario kung saan natin matatagpuan ang Aw-Asen Falls. Bago po natin masilayan ang kagandahan ng Aw-Asen Falls, kailangan po nating maglakad ng 30 to 45 minutes. Dalawang hanging bridge po siya. 7 minutes na all, the rest pababa na po.
We were expecting there would be less people since it's Friday, but turns out there are already like 5 groups ahead of us, and a group may mean like 10 to 15 people. So I thought we were early, but apparently not. But I'm sure we'll still enjoy. A majestic 120-meter tall waterfall known as the tallest in the Ilocos region. Aw-Asen Falls is located in Rosario, Sigay, Ilocos Sur, offering pristine cold spring water and a short hike through lush, unspoiled scenery, making it a popular hidden gem for adventurers seeking nature's untouched beauty. To get here from the trailhead takes about 20 to 40 minutes. Best to come here on a weekday because it gets really crowded. A lot of people taking their time, taking photos and videos by the viewpoint. Check this out.
Hello, October, old flame. trip. Look at that. Reminds you of Angel Falls. It's our version of Angel Falls. And now we're heading back. It's mostly uphill. And then we'll have a break, sit at the beach, and then go to another destination tomorrow.
Malaking tulong po ang pagiging guide ng Aw-Asen Falls dahil kapag Sabado po at Linggo pinapauna po namin yung mga estudyante para po may pagkukunan po ng allowance nila para sa kanilang pag-aaral.
Tirad Peak. Day 2 here at Tirad Peak. Nasa mouse here 2013 with Nong, and it's a different path now. We drove here last time. We got down to Candon, picked up by a monster jeep, passed through the river. We were told that we can't go up the Tirad Peak anymore because of landslides, because of the typhoons. Now we're passing another route going to the top, a different peak, but we're still gonna pass to Monument.
Prior to 2010, Tirad Peak was virtually unknown to mountaineers and deemed unreachable by locals. After a series of explorations that ultimately led to the first major climb up the summit in February 2010. With the trails now established, it is possible to visit Tirad Pass and Tirad Peak in one trip, combining a scenic, historical trail with a challenging and very rewarding peak to conquer. This trek starts from Barangay Dapdappig in Gregorio del Pilar. It was called Old Spanish Trail because it was used during Spanish times as a major gateway to the Cordilleras. It was sufficiently wide for horses to pass, hence the battle above the clouds could be fought here. Along way, references to the historic battle could be found. You can rest at the cave where Del Pilar slept the night before he was slain in the battle. Closer to the Tirad Pass Shrine, which also serves as a campsite, there is a lonely trail that leads to the Sniper's Knoll, which was allegedly the spot where the American sniper that shot Del Pilar to death was stationed. The campsite itself is scenic. The shrine, which features the valiant boy general mounted on a horse, makes for nice photo ops. It takes 3 to 6 hours to reach Tirad Peak on light packs. This time you will follow the Americans in the trail took to catch up with the escaping Philippine army. The woodlands are at times winding, for most part unremarkable, but once you begin to see a towering Tirad Peak ahead of you, the excitement begins. At the foot of Tirad Peak, the trail begins to be very steep, slippery, and some scrambling is required to reach the top. The sweeping views culminate at the pinnacle, which enables you to view sections of Ilocos Sur, Abra, and Benguet. The vast panorama is breathtaking, another good reason to climb in the north.
Real hike begins after the monument. The trail is a bit narrower, a bit dense. Good thing Kuya brought machete and he pointed the peak to us. It looks really steep going up. I don't know if you can see it from here, but it's there. It's curving. You can see how steep it's gonna be.
So we're headed there. Came from here.
Endless blue, no line to hold
Chapters unfold, stories told. Clouds drift slow,
That's the
a
peak.
silent flight.
Looks like Kerwin will enjoy.
Underneath this boundless light, sky without borders, wide and free,
Yeah, looks like we're gonna go
where
up
my heart
there.
can simply be.
Pointy peak there.
No chains, no
Yeah, so you see a bit dense. We had to wade ourselves through some overgrowth here, but Kuya's doing a good job chopping them. Some obstacles too, you have to go under or over. Oh. What do you say, Kerwin? Just like Explo days? Good old days. Good old slow Explo days. Opens up, we're approaching, and the first glimpse of the Cordillera. So the tricky part is there's so many rattan plants and they're thorny. That's why it's taking us a long time to get up. That's tricky. You do this while going uphill. So there's Kuya chopping it. Look how steep it is. There's mostly crawling. It's here waiting for Kuya to clear the path. It's a good rest, but so steep.
find my way through endless days.
Okay, lots of crawling. But good job to Kuya for cleaning up the route at least. It could have been worse. But this is pretty much what the action looks like nearing the peak. To get view once in a while. Beautiful, beautiful sight of the Cordilleras. Almost there.
No chains, no walls to confine, just
Stop.
open air and endless time.
Lots of sharp bamboo saws because of the cuts. Almost there. Okay, it means we're near the top. See the Abra River. We're just cleaning the bamboo foliage. The summit, and it's quite if you're afraid of heights, this is not for you, because if it's windy, there's not much space to step on. You can get carried away and fall. It's so beautiful here. So that's the original peak where people used to hike, but so dangerous now. You can see Tuwato, Namandiraan, the Bakun range. Pulag can be seen here, but it's just cloudy now. And Ilocos Norte ranges are there. Came from somewhere there. Quirino here, side. Abra. It's beautiful. And you can imagine that's the West Philippine Sea. And Aguinaldo from Dagupan, crossing all the way to the other coast, which is Palanan, Isabela, to the Pacific Ocean side. Crazy march. Right, guys, good job. Good job, guys. And we have the peak all to ourselves. I recommend people, especially the ones who like history, to visit this place. Okay, we're heading down soon. It's gonna be a dangerous one. But yeah, off we go. It is so steep. Hello.
When the evening comes, this is when I think of you. On the road again when I'm by myself and feeling blue. And I think about the time we spent together. I can almost smell the coastline fade away. Watch the tide as it rolls in, see the smoke rise in the wind. When the evening comes, when the evening comes, this is when I think of you. As I lie awake in some little town till 102, and I think about the cloudy green December, and your face is getting harder to remember. And I pray it won't be long till I hear my husky song when the evening comes. When the evening comes, this is when I think of you. On the road again when I'm by myself and feeling blue. And I think about a redwood hollow song finding, and the faces of our friends, I see them smile.